You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscription button to get more videos on unlocking the secret to maths and physics. And if you are having challenges with any questions or topic on physics and maths, you can write it on the comment section so that I can be able to treat it for my next video. Thank you. Please click on that button. Hello, welcome to today's mathematics class, and today we'll be talking about law of logarithm. And what is logarithm? Logarithms are mathematical operations that involve the power to which a base number must be raised to produce a given number. Logarithm of a number can be represented as log a n, where a is called the base, n is the number. Logarithms are governed by certain laws. One is addition law. When two logarithms of the same base are added together, the result is the product of the two logarithms to the common base. We have one, which is addition law. If a log of n with base 2 is added to a log of n with base a, the result will be the product of the two numbers mn with a common base a. This is what we call additional law or addition law. And the second law is subtraction law. When logarithms are subtracted, the one being subtracted is used to divide the other or expressed in their common base. You have the second one, which is subtraction law. A log of n with base a is subtracted from log of n with base a. This will be equals to log of the common base over the fraction of n all over n. This is what we refer to as subtraction law. The numbers are divided with the common base. So this is subtraction law. And these are the two most important laws in logarithm. They are used to reduce or combine complex logarithmic terms into a single logarithm. And common mathematical concept of addition, subtraction, and division, or basic addition, subtraction, and division can be used when the base and the log number are the same. And this is done by factoring out the common logarithm. For example, let's say if we have log n with a base a plus log n with a base a, since both have the same number and the same base, we can just add the two together, now be 2 log n to the base a. And if we are to subtract 2 log n with a base a minus log n with a base a, this will give you log n a, because 2 minus this will give you log n with a base a. This is other way of solving the addition and subtraction law. while the other laws of logarithm are used to eliminate the log in logarithmic expression. We have one of the law is logarithm to its whole base, which will be the third law now. Logarithm to its own base. Logarithm of a number to its own base is equal to 1. Let's say log a with a base a will give you 1, or log 16 with a base 16 will give you 1. This is the third law of logarithm. Let's look at the fourth law. The fourth law, we call it the power law. When a logarithm is raised to a certain power, the power is used to multiply the logarithm. If we have log of m squared with a base a, this power is used to multiply the logarithm, which will now be 2 log m with a base a. This is what we call a power law. The fifth law is the power of the base. Power of the base. When it is the base that has the power, the reciprocal of the power is used to multiply the logarithm itself. If we have log of n with a base a squared, the reciprocal of the power of the base is used to multiply the logarithm. It will now become 1 all over 2 times log n with a base a. This is what we call the power of the base. And we also have the sixth one, change of base. The change of base, the logarithm can be changed to other base with the logarithm of the original number and base are expressed as fraction to the new base or the required base. If we are to change log n with a base a to a new base b, this will now be log of the original number to the new base divided by log of the initial base to the new base. This is how we perform change of base. And we also have the seventh one, which is logarithm of 1. The logarithm of 1 to any base is equals to 0. If we have log of 1 with a base a, this will be equals to 0. Or log of 1 to base 10, this will be equals to 0. These are the laws of logarithm. If you look at these laws of logarithm, we have law 1, which is the addition and subtraction. As I told you earlier, these two laws are used to reduce or combine complex logarithmic terms to a single log. While these other laws, which is logarithm to its own base, power logarithm, power of the base, and change of base, they are used to eliminate log in a logarithmic expression. And I also told you earlier that the law of addition and subtraction, we can also use mathematical concept of addition and subtraction, or the basic addition, subtraction, and division. So let's talk about how to convert log to indices and vice versa. We have converting of log to indices and vice versa. If we have a log of n with a base e, this can be converted to indices by equating this log to a new parameter, let's say equals to s. To remove this uncommon log, we transfer this base to raise s. This will now be a power s equals to n. To add the log will now be log. Transfer this to raise this n will now be a n is equals to s. But one thing you should observe is that when transferring to indices or vice versa, the base remain the same. So these are the ways of eliminating log in a logarithmic expression. So let's solve some questions or problems using the laws of logarithm. So let's solve these questions. We have question 1. We have log 32 over log 8. If you look at this question, the base of this log is not given. So anytime you see a log that the base were not given, it means that it's a common log, that is base 10. So when you look at this question now, we can make this number and this to be the same. That is 2 raised to the power 5 will give you 32, and 2 raised to the power 3 will give you 8. So this will now be log 2 raised to the power 5 divided by log 2 raised to the power 3. So now this is a power law. We say that the power is used to multiply the log. So it will now be 5 times log 2 over 3 times log 2. Since the two log are the same, they can cancel out. So our answer will now be 5 over 3, which is 1 all over 2 over 3. This is our answer for question 1. Let's look at question 2. Question 2. We have log 125 over log 5. From this question, we can also make the log number to be the same by making this to be 5 raised to the power 3, because 5 raised to the power 3 will give you 125. So this will now be log 5 raised to the power 3 divided by log 5. And this is a power law, so we use the power to multiply the law. Will now be 3 log 5 divided by log 5. Since these are the same, they will cancel out. Our answer will now be 3. This is the answer to question 2. Let's solve question 3. Question 3. We have log 91 minus log 13 divided by log 245 minus log 5. If you look at this question, we cannot make this log number to be the same as this, or simplify this to have this. So the best way to solve this question is to use the law of logarithm. And we have, for subtraction law, we use this to divide this. It will now be log 91 divided by 13 over this. Since this is a subtraction law also, we use this side to divide this to the common log. Will now be log 245 divided by 5. So from here, this divide this, we have 7, which is log 7. And 245 divided by 5, we have 49, will now be log 49. Now, we can simplify this to have the same log number as the numerator. So this will now be 7 squared, which will now be log 7 divided by log 7 squared. And since this is a power law, we use this power to multiply the log of the denominator. It will now be log 7 over 2 times log 7. Since these two are the same now, they will now cancel out. Our answer will now be 1 all over 2. This is our answer for question 3. Question 4. We have log of 81 with a base 5 plus log of 3 with a base 5 divided by log of 243 with a base 5 minus log 9 with a base 5. From this question, we can use the law of logarithm, where we will now multiply the number to the common base. And also, this using this 9 to divide 243 to the common base. But if we are to use the basic concept of addition and subtraction, or the mathematical concept of addition and subtraction, we have to simplify this so that it can be equal to log number 3. So this will now be 3 raised to the power 4, while this will be 3 raised to the power 5, and this will be 3 raised to the power 2. And then now we have log 3 raised to the power 4 with a base 5 plus log 3 with a base 5 all over log 3 raised to the power 5 with a base 5 minus log 3 raised to the power 2 with a base 5. So from here now, this is now a power law, this is a power law, and this is a power law. This will now be 4 times the log, will now be 4 times log 3 with a base 5 plus log 3 with a base 5 divided by, use this to multiply it, will now be 5 times log 3 with a base 5 minus this now be 2 times log 3 with a base 5. If you look at it now, this is like 4s plus s, because they have the same factor. So when you factor this log r, this will now be 4 log plus this will now be 5 log 3. This will now be 5 log 3 with a base 5 divided by, when you subtract this from this, it will now be 5 minus 2 will now be 3 log 3 with a base 5. So these two are the same, and this will cancel this. Our answer will now be 5 over 3, which is 1 all over 2 over 3. Is our answer to question 4. Let's calculate the one of question 5. Question 5. Question 5. We have 2 log 16 to base 2 plus 4 log of 8 to base 2 minus 3 log of 64 with a base 2. So from this question now, we can use both addition and subtraction law, or we can simplify this to have the same log number and use our basic addition and subtraction. So when you simplify this one will now be 2 log 2 raised to power 4 with a base 2 plus 4 log 2 raised to power 3 with a base 2 minus 3 log 2 raised to power 6 with a base 2. So this is a product law, this is a product law, and this is a product law. And for a product law, we use the power to multiply the logarithm. Now be 2 times 4 log of 2 with a base 2 plus 4 times 3 log of 2 with a base 2 minus 3 times the power, which is 6, log of 2 with a base 2. So this now be 2 times this now be 8 log 2 with a base 2 plus this time this now be 12 log of 2 with a base 2 minus 3 times 6, 18 log of 2 with a base 2. Now you should look at the question now. We have the same log of a number and base. So this will now be 8 plus 12 minus 18. So will now be 2 log of 2 to a base 2. From the law of logarithm, we know that the log of a number to its own base is equals to 1. So this will now be 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. That's our answer to question 5. Let's look at question 6. Question 6. We have log of 1.5 with a base 9 minus log of 75 with a base 9 plus log of 450 with a base 9. If you look at the question now, we have a value that has a decimal place. And for you to solve any question that has a decimal place, you have to convert the 1.5 to a fraction, which will now be log 15 divided by 10 with a base 9 minus log 75 with a base 9 plus log 450 with a base 9. And from here now, we cannot simplify this and this and this to be the same log number. So here now, we'll now use the law of logarithm. which will now be the common log of the base, which is 9, now be 15 over 10 times 1 all over 75 times 450. 10 here we have 1, 10 divided this we have 45. 15 here we have 1, 15 divided this we have 5. 5 here we have 1, 5 going to 45 we have 9. So it will now be log of 9 to base 9. And we know that log of a number to its own base is equals to 1. So this will now be equals to 1. This is our answer to question 6. Let's calculate other questions related to this logarithm. So let's solve question 7. We have question 7. We have log of 8 to base 6 plus 2 times log of 3 base 6 plus log 12 base 6 minus log 24 base 6. From this question now, we have 8, 3, 12, and 24. You cannot simplify the log of this number to have the same value. So from here now, we can use the law of addition and subtraction. But first, we have to reverse this logarithm. So this will now be log 8 of 6 plus log 3 raised to the power 2 of 6 plus log 12 of 6 minus log 24 of 6. This will now be log 8 of 6 plus log 3 square will now be 9 of the 6 plus log 12 of the 6 minus log 24 of the 6. So with this now, since the base are common, we now have log base 6, 8 times 9, because that is addition. Addition law say that you multiply the number, times again 12, and the subtraction law you divide by the 24, now be divided by 24. So 12 here we have 1, 12 into here we have 2. 2 here we have 1, 2 here we have 4. So 4 times 9 we now have 36, which is equals to log 36 with a base 6. Now we can simplify this to have the same log number and base number, which will now be log 6 square to base 6. So here now it's a product law. We use this to multiply the logarithm. Now be equals to 2 times log of 6 to base 6. And logarithm of a number to its own base is equals to 1. So here we now have 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. This is our answer to question 7. Let's look at question 8. Question 8. We have log of 6 in base 2 minus log of 3 base 2 over log of 8 base 2 minus 2 times log of 1 all over 2 to base 2. If you look at this now, we have 8, we have 6, and 3, and 1 all over 2. From here now, we can just reverse this back and use the law of logarithm. But we can also simplify this. That will take too much time. So the best way is to reverse this power law and use the law of logarithm, which will now be log of 6 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2 divided by log of 8 base 2 minus log 1 all over 2 all square with base 2. So this will now be log 6 of 2 minus log 3 base 2 over log 8 base 2 minus log 1 all over 4 base 2. So this will now be equals to log of base 2, which is 6 divided by 3 over log of base 2, which is 8 times the inverse of this times 4. So this will now be log 2 of base 2 over log 32 of base 2. So this 32 can be reduced to have the same log number with this, which is 2 raised to power 5, will now be equals to log of 2 to base 2 divided by log of 2 raised to power 5, which is equals to log of 2 to base 2 over 5 log of 2 base 2. Since these are the same, they cancel out. Our answer will now be 1 over 5. This is our answer to question 8. Let's solve question 9. Question 9. We have 3 over 2 log 9 over 25 base 10 minus 5 times log 2 over 3 base 10 plus 2 log 2 over 81 of base 10. So if you look at this now, you cannot simplify this and this and this to have the same log number. So in this case, we now reverse the power law, which will now be log 9 over 25 base 10 raised to power 3 over 2 minus log 2 over 3 raised to power 5 of base 10 plus log 2 over 81 all raised to power 2 of base 10. With this now be the square root of 9 over 25 all raised to power 3, which is log root 9 over 25 all raised to power 3 of base 10 minus log 2 raised to power 5 will now be 32 over 3 raised to power 5 will now be 243 plus log 2 raised to power 2 4 over 81 times 81. So now have log square root of 9 raised to power 3 will now be 27 over square root of 25 5 raised to power 3 will now be 125 minus log 32 over 243 of base 10 plus log 4 over 81 times 81. So from here now, we can now use the law of addition and subtraction in logarithm. We now have log of base 10 27 over 125 times the inverse of this, since this is subtraction, will now be 243 over 32 times 4 over 81 times 81. So 81 here we have 1, 81 divided here we have 3. 3 here we have 1, 3 divided this we have 27. 27 cancel 27. 4 here we have 1, 4 into here we have 8. So this will now be log 1 over 125 times 8 base 10. So this will now be log 1 all over 1000 of base 10. So this can also be written as log 1 with base 10 minus log 10 of 1000. We now have log of 1 to any base is equals to 0. So here will now be 0 minus log base 10 of 10 raised to power 3. So which is equals to minus 3 log of 10 base 10. So log of 10 to base 10 is equals to 1. So our answer will now be minus 3. So that is that for question 9. Let's go to question 10. Question 10. We have log of 75 with base 10 plus 2 log of 2 to base 10 minus log of 3 to base 10. If you look at this now, we have 75, we have 2 and 3. So there's no way to make the log number to be the same. So we'll now reverse this and use the law of addition and subtraction. So this will now be log 75 of 10 plus log 2 raised to power 2 base 10 minus log 3 of base 10. So this will now be log 75 base 10 plus log 2 raised to power 2 will now be 4 of base 10 minus log 3 of base 10. Log of base 10 will now be 75. Since this is addition, will now be times 4, and this is subtraction divided by 3. So from here now, 3 here we have 1, 3 here we have 25. So this time this will now be log of 100 to base 10. Log of 10 raised to power 2 to base 10, which is 2 log 10 of base 10. Log of 10 to base 10 will now be equals to 1, which is equals to 2 times 1. We have 2. This is our answer to question 10. Let's find the one of question 11. Question 11. We have 11, which is log 3 over 5 of base 5 plus 3 log 15 over 2 of base 5 minus log 81 over 8 of base 5. If you look at this now, there's no way we can make the log number to be the same. So we'll now reverse the power law so that we can use law of addition and subtraction of logarithm. It will now be log 3 over 5 base 5 plus log 15 over 2 all raised to power 3 of base 5 minus log 81 over 8. So this will now be log base 5, which is 3 over 5 times 15 times 15 times 15 over 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Since this is negative, we multiply by the inverse times 8 over 81. 8 cancel 8. We now have 5 here, we have 1. 5 into here, we have 3. 3 here, we have 1. 3 divide this, we have 27. 3 here, we have 1. 3 divide 27, we have 9. 3 here, we have 5. 3 here, we have 3. 3 here, we have 5. 3 here, we have 1. So this will now be 5 times 5 is 25. We now have log 25 of base 5. And this can be simplified to 5 squared, which is now log 5 raised to the power 2 with base 5, which is equals to 2 times log 5 with base 5. And this is equals to 1, which is equals to 2 times 1. Our answer is now 2. This is for question 11. Let's go to the last question, which is question 12. Question 12. We have 2 log of 6 base 3 plus log of 12 base 3 minus log of 16 base 3. If you look at this, you cannot simplify this to have the same number. So we reverse this power law and use addition and subtraction law of logarithm. We now have log 6 raised to the power 2 with base 3 plus log 12 base 3 minus log 16 base 3. 6 squared will now be 36. Now log 36 of base 3 plus log 12 of base 3 minus log 16 of base 3. Here we can now use the law, which is log 3 now have 36 times 12 divided by 16. 4 here we have 4. 4 here we have 3. 2 here we have 2. 2 divide this, we have 18. 2 here we have 1. 2 here we have 9. So it will now be log 9 times 3 of base 3, which is equals to log 27 to base 3. And 3 raised to the power 3 can give you 27, which is now log 3 raised to the power 3 of base 3. We now have 3 times log 3 base 3. And this will now be 1, which is equals to 3 times 1. We now have 3. This will be the end of today's class. Our next class will be equation involving logarithm. Please remember to click on the subscription button. Thank you.